Hi, I'm Jill Bakeway. I'm the founder of Yinova in New York City, and I'm really excited to share these Yinova ear seed kits with you. They're rather pretty. There are crystal ones and gold ones, but they don't just look cute. They have a therapeutic effect. Auricular therapy is based on embryology and the idea that the ear is a microcosm for the whole body, and that there are tiny little pressure points that stimulate different organ systems and different parts of the body. These little ear seeds just put pressure on those pressure points. They don't break the skin, so they're very safe. It's really auricular acupressure rather than auricular acupuncture. And the kit itself has this helpful little card in it that gives you different protocols for different types of condition. And it shows you where the points are and how to combine them. I'm going to do just one. I'm going to do a point called Shen Men, which calms the mind, which seems like a good point to do for everyone, I think. So the first thing you do is clean your ear. You're not actually breaking the skin, but you are irritating it. So I'm using a little alcohol pad and I'm clearing my ear. And then I've taken one of these crystal ear seeds off the pack and I'm putting it on a point like that. There we go. That is the point Shen Men, and when I'm stressed, I can take a breath and stimulate this point, and I'll have a little respite. So there you have it. You can buy these ear seeds online at yinovacenter.com at the Yinova shop, or you can pop into your nearest Yinova center and pick one up after you've had a treatment.